Hey, did you know you can actually copy photos, not just text, to your clipboard on your Android phone, especially if you're using a Samsung? Sounds pretty cool, right? Let me walk you through it real quick. Before we get into copying images, there's one thing you need to make sure is set up first. Head over to your phone's settings and scroll until you see General Management. From there, go into the Samsung keyboard settings and just toggle on the keyboard toolbar. That's the feature that lets you use the clipboard from your keyboard. Now, if you're not sure where the clipboard actually is, don't worry. Just open up your keyboard like you're about to type something, maybe in a message or a note. Look at the top row and you should see a clipboard icon there. Tap it, and you'll see all the stuff you've copied before. What's cool is that you can pin anything important so it doesn't disappear. And you can also clear out old stuff if things start to pile up. Okay, let's talk about how to copy an image now. First, open up your gallery app and pick any photo you want to copy. Then tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. One of the options there should be Copy to Clipboard. Go ahead and tap that. Now just open up any app where you want to paste the photo, like the Notes app, and paste it right in. That's it. Your image is now copied and pasted directly from the clipboard. Super simple. And that's how you copy and paste images on a Samsung phone without any extra apps. So useful, right? If this tip helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, or hit that subscribe button for more Android tricks. Catch you in the next video.